We want a tasty frozen treat. Run into the kitchen fast. Can we have some? Kids all ask. But then a voice so kind and bright says, let's make something fun tonight. Not from the shop, not from a machine. We'll make a magic fruity dream. Oh, no more ice cream, no, no, no. Fruit ice dream is how we go. Blend it, pour it, freeze it tight. Healthy magic made tonight. Fruit ice dream, sweet and colorful, bright and clean. Hidden worlds and fruits we see. A frozen fruity fantasy. What do we see? A rainbow fruit family. Mango mountains, berry streams. Apple forests from our dreams. Banana bridges, pineapple sun. Grapes like planets, oh what fun. Every fruit with powers bright. Ready for our treat tonight. No more ice cream, no, no, no. Fruit ice dream is how we go. Blend it, pour it, freeze it tight. Healthy magic made tonight. Chop, 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 fruits go in. Close the lid, let's begin. Whir, 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 the colors spin. A smoothie galaxy forms within. Magic swirls of pink and gold. Purple, yellow, red unfold. Like a portal spinning round. Fruit adventure has been found. Fruit ice dream, better than ice cream it would seem. Blend it, pour it, watch it flow. Into little cups we go. Careful, steady, pour it slow. Watch the fruity rivers flow. Into cups of every size. Shiny colors for our eyes. Little rainbows, bright and sweet. Filling up our frozen treat. Now the final step we see. The freezer door holds mystery. Open wide the freezer gate. Close it now, we have to wait. Tick tock, tick, time will pass. Magic freezing in the glass. Inside the smoothie turns to cream, becoming our fruit ice dream. Cold and firm and ready soon, like magic under icy moon. No more ice cream from the store. We made something better than before. Fruit ice dream, hip hooray. Healthy treats we made today. Fruit ice dream, yummy, colorful, bright and clean. Hidden worlds and fruits we found. The best frozen treat around.
Okay, pour it, freeze it.